籃球同舞火龍係兩種完全唔同嘅運動，但係就有團體將佢哋 crossover， 舉辦咗火龍杯3×3籃球賽。唔單止希望弘揚大坑火龍非遺文化，仲希望透過體育同文化可以串聯不同嘅族裔，創造更團結嘅社區啊！
幾個月前，我哋已經開始獨立去訓練佢哋嘅。咁佢哋每個訓練之中咧，係同我哋本身華人嘅學生啦、小朋友一齊去做嘅，就唔係話淨係單一佢哋自己去做嘅。咁透過佢哋嘅語言啦，或者唔同嘅文化嘅溝通咧，過程之中佢哋學習咗我哋有好多唔同嘅中華文化啦、生活習慣啦，咁從而令到佢哋更加融入個社區入邊，達至呢個共融嘅想要嘅目的。
今次火龍杯分為 U18、U15 同 U12 3個年齡組別，一共有87支隊伍，250位本地青少年同50位非華裔青少年參加，可以話係做到促進青年種族和諧啊！
咁喺個過程裏邊呢，啲小朋友咧，佢哋大家喺嗰個比賽啊，又或者係訓練過程裏邊呢，大家都可以學習到唔同嘅溝通到佢哋嘅唔同嘅習俗啊，或者佢哋嘅 language 啊、語言啊，咁都唔錯嘅。
I think this is the best way to understand local people, culture, and they can mingle with each other, understand each other. So I think the sport is the best way. Understanding, so this is an international language, you know. You don't need to know the language, then through sport they can learn, they can understand, and they can make friends. And this is how the communities grows.
而中國香港3人籃球隊教練更加希望可以透過賽事發掘唔同嘅人才啊！
其實最主要因為近年嘅3×3嘅比賽都越嚟越多啦，咁其實我哋都希望藉住今次嘅機會咧，令到一啲唔同嘅學生可以參加唔同嘅類型嘅比賽啦。咁藉住呢個少數族裔嘅 3x3， 咁可以令到更加多嘅少數族裔嘅同學仔啦，可以有更加多嘅參加比賽機會啦。咁從而我都希望可以令到一啲少數族裔喺本地嘅籃壇嗰度可以發掘到一啲人才出嚟啦。